Abedula.
I do.
Anakale saying everything is here.
Abedula.
No bide.
Yes.
Be Abedula. Momo lafta I do wrong. Along ko tune in. Kaje ko UDP TV and media fita maso official skytal the boss. Baby janne bi ka fengol be natale foto Abedula bi nga min soto jan chocho min be ke kan tawnoto sate oto nga keba ma fengol soto jan bari bi be kuja malle kacala de ka to nga ngeje dulato alko alni media bu kata dula dol to bari to nya modol dew dal pareta na okay bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mbe jamamu kontonna, mbe Gambia kontonna, mbe dunia kontonna. Bari mbe kontondiro talamba dila His Excellency, the party leader, the barrister, the commander-in-chief of the United Democratic Party, His Excellency Lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Dabo. Asa lanye UDP dingol bekang, bari mbe kontondiro fanan kere la ka di molla milialon ko wato drong nimole UDP TV and media maladrong itolla katara nyaton kolti kana jibe rola iba siala iba dundila grupol to otombe konton na bake bare mba alfa non konton na katu ko male mala wato alfa le soto milialon ko itolla ba sembentu yakan milka munta ko jaray sanenyol fode jawlañol mol milialon ko wollebe diaspora kaje ko ka UDP TV and media ka fasa pour ye la operational keno be konton na bake bare mba alfa non konton na milialon ko nemuli e commandi wato ila hajo momenti wala UDP ka sembentu ya bare wato nge commandi drong ni UDP la kolen akatara ibe lorin ko kaje ko ka UDP fasa ka dung hortinding hortiba ka UDP bondi kaje ko 2026 ay ke iyati mialon ko abekela His Excellency Party Lawyer Ousainou Numukunda Dabo ka Dandal State House binga jumale sota jang Abedula jumaleng Abedula slogan on yung afindita akabe dula munebe dula bi wobe be kachala janna woto guys Alhaji Mamadi Kurang be konton
abaraka bake malema UDP media and TV and media nge konton inila timo be ngal konton ngal welcome ngalong ramba fulale ko Ramadan Mubarak patila supportal be anin Gambia be mbafule be Ramadan Mubarak na party leader His Excellency Lawyer Ousainou Dabo mba konton na fanan anala executive members ila listener ila fans nge be konton mbafule be Ramadan Mubarak for this special kacha
Abedula Felentin bedung kam programo nying kono amba fulale drong live o nying alasia alia tap ala lonko drong live o nying alasia alia tap ala lonko bi Abedula ko Mamadi Kurang ya fu nyame min commencé la wala Mamadi Kurang mon laftalon na Alhaji Mamadi Kurang aka sunkaro balu nyaadi de
mashallah sunkaro kay yalon nate is a special month. It's a very special month. Me alonko musilmol be nyanta benduna kontano lela bao atemu karole ti me alonka kumayata bakele ya fo nyitandi na nyameng na prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam anin alqur'ano kono ko atelam karoti me alonko alqur'ano jita wolela woda mandama yatina sunkaro kita pendi me alonko aketa kare kumma bati musilmol be butung Ntol kay mom is normal because ya ni muslim moti kay mom sunkaro ya mem fo wala ma nyanta kala normal leti but special special in the sense that from friending kake dino la batundiro la karola nka la fale sunkaro kono ndena nga try le ani sunkaro be kere na normal activities yeta on ka kole ale timing ani suta nya jalo and so on bari be ko men ke kan ko kele kala file wole continue andung bawo time obiye fanang me alon ko mol ka me nyala suto fanang ko fana use as a method of reflection and reading and doing my normal things yes
so wokola minka ke woleng reading and doing your normal things bari adabe sunkaro nyin kono woleng Mamadi Kurang na wulta akajele ko reading na la cool be akake bari fo sunte wato because basic activity le soto ila favorite ika sunte prepare nyadi le
Yeah.
la fe samala dulato isana wol be mutala wol
abe ko le because sukaro nga yalo ni nyame na bije fana nga menji je coming de sunte wala ko wala because ntela life ngurota mawmale bulu kabiri ndini ma mbatele bulu no my grandmother and one of the things I endal in the menna wolom sunkaro kono ka sunte fenna me yalo ko ka fay mono yes so nka make sure le ko dal o nimbe at least sunte o keta nyaaw nyaranding nga mono taraje you know and it's good ba fola si sekunda nkolye no mono in fact nga mono meaning that dalta mono la si sekundale because mbama boda si sekundale and mama be jele so ngurota jele yendalindi mono la bari atemu fenneti me yalon ko ni inyamenta ikatele min folo at least ibalo buka kulia ya understand ikatara
kulole fokande
ibalo buka kulia so ibalo katara fair ne monomi so okay so sembola le because iga left the femper ni gal hani haji do soto sunte kola no na fili kola ika tamandi no le because ibuka kulia bag so ibajala niate ke then after the mordol membiye ina isina wolke later in the night so ni mo la fero dolti ani na favorite tea fana hani montara Gambia ngari member tata in Liberia and Sierra Leone and mbeje wato menna ay ngaje ko ka fami Sicily nyamo you know ani jamba katang very good dela wala mun na favorite tea so ne normal tea dina dal muka kafi ma anything na ni man jamba katang soto salon ko Sicily nyamo ko wala mi yes so these are my
ali amwele Alpha Ba Alhaji Mamadou Kurang bi be kacala la funga kacha Mamadou Fana ka nga Mamadou Fana pole drong hakilo be fenne mala Mamadou Fana bari beduna dulato melan ko interesting ta fana mo jamal ka bato nyim programme to wala Mamadou Kurang isanawul Mamadou Kurang isanawul surwal ka fo me lole na yaka we record be
nga fo ne buga bare Inshallah malbe most of them Sisekunda you know and it only ndalini monola you know bari ndem fole wala mu isi bulol muta Ramadan kono waaw ñi su garo do ni atamindi bake kunum fanka fo dole nga yalo ñi kake do mani na ko do mu sisele di ako ñi nga do boroke bulo ka tammi mulle fo mbuga fenkeno nga yalo ñi kake do mani ne technique le bala so ni mo technique ta ni ñafita kan ake monele
absolutely
age sira ndile
baraka bake sisa kunnan ko lali amwele woto al sanaw fele ay mim fo ali amwele kali adomon ali ayajala ay positiono min diala na ya commencé ni monola anato la dalendi monola woto ala baraka bake gambianul nga nyine long sanaw ya da ben adol ni na chusanol kono la da ben hadama yal kono nyine sanaw ya diate woto mbeduna lato mi yalon ko abedula ni ko abedura drong wato wate mul kapale hakilo be kata Mamadou Kurang kan bari Mamadou Kurang nata United Democratic Party bari anil londole nata je Mamadou Kurang anata le pour ka difference le make bari follow be dunna Marcel to ngajele 1700 mu jabol ngaje akaw ko yata mbamanyol kala fika jabo soso de la e buka kenu kompetero buka tara do la soso kono kado ko de kano afford ni obe be kering Mamadou Kurang itimi alon ko ifahamta ning economics la ifahamta ning inflation la and mo jamal ka inflation for ima faham exactly munati bari ka fatam fansi molie anu solution ka tarala la bari folo ka be fatam fansi nganata solution ka to ngalo ne solution lat na Mamadou Kurang anata United Democratic Party bari Mamadou Kurang ngadung mene be kering nyimbanko kan
I mean nyimbanko kan ni ajibe beating because interview jele mo kabrin tu moment na tol sifalu reportal an televisional idunta mol kam banko kono kata marsioto ka mol nyininka yalo economics atum fenati mo bele ano bawo mo moronding even any part of your life you know ila post marché o keta nyaaw ka fute la post o kono
absolutely
so bari menka mol hani janne sunkaro fanka si menka mol kijo fara bake wolo nyinti ko sunkaro kanale an bagasol price tera andung sunkaro mu ku karele me alon ko domoro mol ka sula tele ma bake so ni inflation o jibe ka foko bankola economy ala most one of the most important problems wala inflation increasing price ol kata la dandula tela andung ni ajibe inflation o fana ni ata ya breakdown into pieces iba jalale ko men yalon ko atele forta inflation o kono ning atara basket lam tay ye basket lam ye fen jamal bula je teng o basket o kono men kumayata inflation la basket o kono ka vole food inflation dum atel niaji be gambia la inflation o kono atele sangarata beti problem ol kono atele sangara food inflation wolom nyinti ko domoro la da kasele for dandulate men so one of number one problem ni aji be molla sula fen kendolu sunkaro kono mano enketa mano ci mano bu kensen bu kadomo mano ni fenne kadomo fani chicken wala kadomo bang fo subolom bang you know fo fendolom bang bar fo mano ni fendomo andung ni aji be membe kumbo kan bibi wolom domoro la da example ni ko subo ne musol ñinen kay ko subo sainteng a muftale immediately before sunkaro maybe about 400 to 450 a moved up to 500 to 550
absolutely
which is about almost 30% increase suchato 25 to 30% increase
small
you know in just less than one month curriculum command do subola data taw ñam andu am so ñewo yalla bu ka fo dal tawla is a daily thing or every daily thing you know so ñiñul jibe sunna kala file na domoroke ay domoroke fenna me alon ko men ka go chikino waranto ñewo waranto subo or something so wo ni wala price cast increasing kalafa very rapidly yalo way mol batandi bakele
absolutely
so one of the main problems mol kamen kumbo hani jani sunkaro kasi wala mu inflation odi and même problem odi man sakunda sawo sanga be wala nyama man solution total ima any solution baro government ima any solution total right now memba itandi la mol la ko iparetale ka inflation of fight fo bata membe mol kan abata sibom mol kan
yes. So nga moy mbe nga moy inflation I mean for price ol mi alon ko abe skyrocketing kan solution o mantra keringan bare mune lakta mansa kundani na karola kaje ko min sababta you know factor sol fananka important ne pour moli alon tumando bato ni moli factor sol long mbalon na le solution ol be ke kanyam fo mansa kunda to nyata nya e pareta kakele
yeah wala minyin kar ko ti fo man sakunda paretale kake because ning aya tarako man sakunda paretale pour ka inflation o fight woto inyanta taman sero le jela taman sero me yalon ko ya itandile ko nyim baro man sakunda paretale ka inflation o fight andung ni lafta inflation o fight la ibaji kamenjibe problem in economics ni lafta akelela ikamenjibe follow what are the causes because in economics ka follow ko cause and effects so fengel menka ala sungala ala sababul ikawole jibe then yena wo sababul attack then you can have a solution so say ni ajibe ko inflation food inflation petrol inflation inflation caused by food or inflation caused by petrol and transportation I understand. Or inflation caused by maybe bank lending, cost of borrowing. So, but niko food inflation. Ala sababol mumuneti. Imbanko seno nafatale. Mansakunda ala budgeto ni ajibe ikamendundi seno kono. Hani president nan singiro kam menka tabiye wala siata menka dundi mansaku Gambia bela domoro Kenya la agricultural investment from the national budget the allocation for the Ministry of Agriculture So niyo jibe o nyama banko me yalon ko maybe in the 1970s and 80s. Almost isa for hani mano nabe funtila nam nabe bonanam banta is a small percentage. But B 99% or 98% of the mano mgamendo makabona bantale. So the problem is lack of production. Whereas na local production na banko kanjang kameng produce. Senola carrot. Pour manolong ba nyolong bang aning fengal men ka domo me yalon ko molsa nafano wo jitale. Andu ni wo jita oto sa embetula nyinin kala bantala banko le kan. Sa nimba nyinin kala bantala banko kan. Abe bantala banko kan be kodo yaje inflation for currency nata.
Absolutely.
Wala nita da interview nine journalist ol tar interview la Marcelo. Wol ba fala sefa bila du sefa bi. Ne problem bi du sefa. Problem with dalasi la. Because the problem with the dalasi and the sefa is the same problem between the dalasi and the dollar. It's the same problem between dalasi and the pound. Dalasi bi mone kadi wacha. Ne kunne sefa bi mone kadi ek. Lol mota mane la problem bi. Du sefa bi problem bi dalasi bi la. Dalasi bi mone kadi wacha si dollar bi. So lol mota su fegene na tarantol kombe na domori ngake mba bondila na mpantale abe tula serla le dron. So the second problem mansakunda fanka economy fanko mara nyame ha boku moya ta bakele yalo ni mansakunda ka dapansol ke dapansol me yalon ko dandula tela anin dapansol me yalon ko ka fay ko in economics non productive expenditure wala dapansol me yalon ko atabuka fe wulu ka esanso juruma moto bal kono barola moto bal yajele every week aka moto kutole sa ndeme wala ni amala wato wati nka moto kutole.
Absolutely.
President me yalon ko itele bankole foire ata gam dunia bet ite loko itaka moto kutole bon.
Absolutely.
Yalom kabrimbe investigation wala yafo nyala ko president naide ni ko men dum occasion abuko dum ko rek wala ma baro kabrata futar yati ame wala ni moto men bodi ni buko bodi ni pare ati atambindi
absolutely
ikole den diko imafo sai nyinka fo le moto nani moto men tata programme wala o programme na site buka moto do umutol expensive tale ika fuel même ni expensive tale
so ngama 83,000 per month
inga wala fo so baro killing na baro tambita moto men be ka bula no ma o moto be mu essence o akai ka minne ko jio
V8
wol kamune nati banko e wo nganya akamune nati banko e wo kabo banko la rankeso le kono lolu si rankes bi la mo joge
absolutely
so si joge si rankes bi neku di juru dara da fay yoka inflation bi wala ka inflation o la fa because
ita fole diamre inflation faham
no ya ni a faham fana man kya wanto ila fahamo man futa fana ila fahamo man kitale because it told camera at a camera economic problem solver but it took abe cool men ke ka wolka wasindel because waka men ke me wala nyindi nim government tata ka da panse sifal ke high discretionary expenditure ikata furole la to borrow. They borrow from the central bank or through the central bank. They borrow from the commercial banks and they borrow from the public by treasury bills. So ni to gawo ilo expenditure men bitagan puntum pantang men be caring no o puntum pantang kata nyameng ika dontoro ke wala nyam. Sa ni la dontoro na meta cost of borrowing ka high ila interest ka high. So wala tine ka je ni minister budgetary ikafoko interest payment 7 billion 6 billion 5 billion Gambia ko jole in 1 year just interest or mandam dontoro
so ni muli a create no pangol se minke no
exactly riba da mandam men ka jo nyimba ko kan is more than 5 billion sawosang wo mune ka sabu ma tay expenditure man la ne expenditure adia tan tele expenditure aka puntum pantang
a baraka bake ali
Abe
dulele
Abe dulele.
kolsol mba yelela nyato mba yelela jandin sungo be tela bari ambe min fulale fele mamadi kurang adutale fa pareta programme diata fa pareta bari londo fanan akachata jang katu ñun mo factor so lelte min yalon ko ay inflation o ma ay kujamal ma min be dending inflation o la karola bari bitadu lato mi yalon ko because mole afonyi akonye ko kuramu no nonsense man lati because inata janne ka kurum karama ko hey nte man trawo kono nte be min nan nata na do ko la bari agriculture fm foje anu ngano ika kontan baka ka senu fo Senegal itola ka bori motol noma ni nata politician ni tate ya Senegal la kasi mitin dulal ke la moy bari smart gardening dafta kami choki jang wolen baro ya fo molen ne ko abe smart gardening kela dulal to minalon ko ibe tarle la bunkono mobe tarla URR na sala ho e merol e tara bunkono e butongo madron gardino be jibon so nyomin kol ko sen dahatal kadun sen be butongo le mala na gardino e jibon sa smart gardening ay mul bilifin dalal 2021 bari Mamadou Kurang wolbi man tara kering bari Senegal la al halo
yalo ate fan kama e même fa ka baluwol wala ni be campagne la men diate e kawla so mon nyanta lon nale ko Adama Barrow aten nin campagne men be keri men diata bo le fokan asta fo moli na Kurang nati ayatara wo Kurang men nata akodo bota ECOWAS le ayatara wo Kurang nat men nata julobe nyapiri nawe kanne me alon ko fosa nawe fanga hani abuka ngunumano sakasi bori so reality ni banko me yalon ko ila lopitano Kurang ka faje nin tiataro nin operation obe kering wala to ni mol tata je jikando buka soto patient ol buka fana soto light soto be fana malala men na lopitano kono o ba fo o be Kurang ta no la nyaadi ka gadi no jibo obe keno la nyaadi how will that be possible nyew may balon nako mu nener kumolti that is a joke smart gardening is a joke o joke sifal baro katara wolle fayla mol kan nabe tamala mol yo danko do mol wur ambience politics
absolutely
ambience speeches danko do mo amen diata mol tulo rek wefo bari jannibe gadino jibon ne be Kurang ta le ba plok le konka gadino le jibon ika Kurang ne dundi karambuto folo dinni le computer karam folo wo computer men ka wo smart gardening tamandi bari school jelle bi jame alon kay ba fala man sakunda school lo mu andun computer bi jele andun computer lab ka Kurang sotole ika karanga nyamo o tijam school dol bi je computer samba jele computer lab is closed to ngalon ne we know what's happening muna na computer lab closing because na tinyata buka maintenance Kurang buka soto stabilizer man soto ni Kurang na ta monitor blow man loptanol fo Kurang man dunda man sakunda fana official kono man sakunda fana be rentive men na say hani man sakunda fana be do ko kala bun men kono ma wolle soto folo baro ma wolle lo ay kenol be wafi janni ka kenol wafi ika bun le lo man sakunda la official say man sakunda la official bebe luasol mtende no moje bankuka
very sad
so many government offices are renting now and the man is selling land Gambian kola lila moire bankola department ol bebe luasol la barobe keno wafikang me alon ko ka fo le reserve land barola foresight where does Barrow want to take this country atela foresight munet barola foresight ngamiro is for Barrow and his family that's his foresight how to get more power how to stay in power self-entrenchment ECOWAS fang ba fula kongo bari janni molba moyla iko ikana see for third term because third term nakaroleti
sul gas du ko tere hen third term la ñoo baña dega third term du fi muna am because third term fang gombe hadis do jiva ambe sunkarole kono a king Islam doesn't look good over a king he is a king, he is a president. It's different from a king. Presidency is term limit. King has no term limit. Barrow is not a king.
Amerikali Al-Quran wala kafoko mu mansalati. Mo president aneti. As the president of the Gambia, not as the Mansa of the Gambia. It's different. It's completely different. So Baro lafta fankela mansalati Mansa do kubali. Mansa do kubali. Mansa of inflation. The Mansa of lack of electricity while opening saying that Quran don't need lal bedo. Atefa cash power nyimbanko kambi. Kamembori ni Baro kate bole bon lat ndu atebe julutal. Julobe nyapirim banko kunkan julome yalonko dandula tala. It's a problem.
Abaraka bake aliamwele Alhaji Mamadi Kurang ay kumakangol minfo kumakan miyalonko amoyo diata bari mita dlato miyalonko Senegal len sambala Senegal len jumalti iko milkatiyo doku nyintiya doku la ye minfo iko salary bella fakan iko kato ko bagasol le bella fakan ko inflation ika minfo bari ila tiyo ika sammin nanu ika samwalla so ila jikila tayo iko wala fo munati na Senegal wole ka bata politiko ta bari ni nata nga nilla fa wala ko itul ketul bole ko kono mulana masakunda ka okay.
Yeah, along the Gambian politics is politics of patronage. Wala mnyinti ko moyena ilafta palaso la kokodo bondi kaita ni mola ko kodo le bembulu ngol faal bu ka nyini ke kodo bota mintole ndu mol ya no ko di jama bije problème ole bije ka mol la carte sang ka kol ke danko do mol carte fay abam profit soto because in the end amari munta ko nay carte sang amang ke akotek wala ben min jam for a long time but sa futata level leto me alon ko baroya sambale at a level which is terrible. Dangerous. Because niaje mole ya kele one of the main objectives pour ka dictatorship bondi ja wolam kaje ko never again.
Never again.
Nobody is overstay. Bibi kodo ya tinna baroye ko na fulo memara wa ya tinna alafta sing lola o kan kaitan di mola ko ma tay. Koma yo kuma sifa mamfo briga diata meye akuyata meye lolu baroka wala ala nene ya fol sinya kile.
Absolutely.
But every day baroka wala adiata meye kum nahari yange change moto kombuba corruption bi neka fi boy corruption bi ken munu ko wax anti corruption bill move for 8 years nobody not significant person has been charged of corruption in the Barrow government
like minister or
like a minister or somebody just one permanent secretary. Last time we had that fisheries iboita mole ka mealon ko background tala inyapita kay ko 100,000 baloka lola ka 100,000 di jalola one spot. Yes,
50 euro.
Ika mo sa ka permanent secretary samba wala one permanent secretary ko wala fight against corruption na fikia.
Baraka bake aliamwele kachabe diarim bake bari party leader to ibinun jere wolen United Democratic Party kabrin to ndata dulato mialon ko Mamadou Fana dulato mialon ko ila aerial to fanan tata jere bari nga different dole je wolen there are places mialon ko United Democratic Party ila tama waranunge bari ikatale bari ni tata nga minje wolun funding kele bosila dala fof sate kono ibe wurla ba fala ñun dabo lañu bëgg falindir baketa je ndul bije e ka foko yamera 2026 manke iyate mi alonko iyale mu United Democratic Party tati so kabring woketa Mamadou Fana funding kel min kola nin kol min be keta tola ite alhaloje nyaadi le mulla desperation kata Adam Barrow ila fa ka Adam Barrow reject comme kaje ko His Excellency Party leader kanu ka tandala pour State House ite yoje nyaadi le.
Yeah, I mean ntenga menje tonying kono because nte jointa tokono jointa tokono is just 1 week after joining the party but nga menje tokono nga ku jamala karanje because nga energy leje me alon kom famata jala
exactly
and energy me ngaje wolom nyinti ko no molje melia lonko traditionally safoko you manke traditional UDP supporters
Exactly.
you know both in the North Bank and in South Bank you know and ngai waitandile ko wali ipareta le ko ipareta falindirola hanni atare nene karto fay paro en before they want changes.
Absolutely. See the desperation. Yeah.
And Mahmoud Fana is special.
Mahmoud Fana.
Yeah,
Exactly.
because that's my area. You know, I contested there and very intensively, and I got good votes there. I beat the NPP there. You know, as when I was a DOI candidate. You know, and Mahmoud Fana is very special because the youths here me yitandi ulam nyindiko. You know, the NPP coming wafi mulma. You know, that UDP is coming is a party that is threatening your existence. Molialo neko sign, that's a fake, that's a scam. We are all Gambians. How can you tell you are a Gambian and another Gambian will come and take you out of that country? What kind of thing is that?
Absolutely.
Look at the party leader, Hussein Udabo. How accommodating he is. Anybody. How many people from all over the country, from all areas, all religions, all tribes that he gave opportunity to represent the party. So, and he always say, I don't own UDP. So UDP is not owned by him.
Absolutely.
Gambians should be afraid of parties owned by one man or two men. It's sole proprietor or partnership parties.
Absolutely.
This the one more nyanta silala o party sifal UDP is not a sole proprietor. It's not a partnership. Like you said that way the party was formed
after then
and then he was invited. Kabri a party in form. Otumole nata Hussein invite for him to lead the party. So he cannot own the party. You cannot own the party where they invite you to form it. That's the respect they gave you. And those same people, they want him to contest for 2026.
Absolutely.
Because they know that all the contests under the dictatorship, the army with the guns, guiding the ballots, fallen Nekon, fallen guy Nekon, they didn't see that? That the army was escorting ballots from the villages to the counting tallying centers in the area councils for 20 years here. And then in 2016, the people came together and removed the dictatorship. So these people want him to remove this coming dictatorship, the Barrow self-entrenchment. Legi nak mane Gambians violent party yo hamne kenn nit moko mom. Violent party yo hamne you see me when I was campaigning as an independent candidate. And people say register party, I say register party for what? I don't want to own anything.
Oh yeah.
That was the only reason, because even the money we spent on the campaign was far more than the registration fee, and it was easy. But I said I don't want to own a party. Man buguma own party. We had a movement. Then we went to PDIS, the partnership. But I don't want to own a party. Usainu don't want to own a party. He never joined any party.
Absolutely.
Man a violent party bo hamne kena nit moko mom. Gis nañ ko fi. Kena nit mu ñew. Lolu toroxal la. Mu ñew mu ne 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. Legi mu ngi 15 years. Mom parti bi. Since na sun revolution bi. Def na ko bosam. Mom na parti bi legi mu ngi bo mom dëkk bi legi mu ngi bo mom sun generation ci ñew Baro wàcce leen ko alaajin am na parti itam yu mel noonu du Baro rek de du Baro rek de Baro da mantere and party preneurs party political preneurs political entrepreneurs ñi nit yi jog rek foog ne ñoom ñoo moom parti ñoom ñoo moom am nañ xaalis jënd ay few moto ak moto bicycle ñu ne waaw dañoo register party by force.
Absolutely. UMC
register party by force. By party bi benn family moo ko soo xoolee seen constitution bi boobu dina génn.
Absolutely.
Boo xoolee constitution si nga xam ne lii monarchie la monarchy lañ bëgg a indi kenn nit mu toog su bàyyee presidency sax ñu ne 2 terms su bàyyee sax mu ñëw toogaat ma ne Gambian bàyyi leen parti boo xam ne kenn nit moo ko moom ndala nga falit al patiol bula patiol me yalon ko mo kiline tam accu patio woni ko yimbe goto woni tonde ko yimbe goto jeeyo si yimbe goto jeey patio sa yahi patio ko muskila so ngam fo bolé tan molé patio bula me yalon ko mo kilim patio lob ma fo mo man siaje war mo kiline tamu wo business on lati wol manke patiti
absolutely
lolu du pati lolu business la kenn nit mu sponsor parti fu buga mu sponsor ko te xam nga ne kooku su toogee state house bi family compound la moo nekk
absolutely
comme Barrow nu ko buga def family compound te ñu ko war a stop in December 2026 ñu indi ko xam ne du fa toog for more than one term
te ñoom dañ dee buga compare seen boppa UDP
exactly compare
ñu ne ñoom amuñ flag bearer ñoom ñu ne amaguñ flag bearer waaye est-ce que loolu dëgg
ñen na noonu
UMC
ñoo man yeneen parti yi laay wax sax boobu du parti club la
okay
it's a vous it's a vous with a name just like tour bi ñu ko change confusion united even the English is not correct. That's a small example.
Absolutely.
Right? And political entrepreneurship, Gambians dañ ko war a discourage fii. Moo ñanta discourage la jande because ni mu wonata ay party sponsor. Iko inata ka mo le ko movement o amuñ leader.
Yeah.
But more natal killing na biye loud.
Absolutely.
What is the lie? That's a lie. Why are you lying to people? Why are you cheating people? Say we don't have a leader, and they know you have a leader, you have a sponsor, you have an owner. Yeah. It is an entrepreneurship. It's a sole proprietorship, not even a political party.
And also 30,000 endorsements.
No, those are we call them digital lies, right? Digital fabrication and manipulation. But I'm even talking about generally. Gambians dañ war a bàyyi seen xel koo xam ne ñëw na mu ne dama bëgg a form parti te man kenn nit maa ko am naa xaalis maa ko sponsor Gambia is not for sale de abe duulale but Gambia is will not be for sale
abe duulale Gambia ate wafila ate tayelela ngalon ne kon na mile 2 ni na dula dol ports jama tayelela bari Mamadou Kuranka men fo al ngawuran na Gambia body
that's very serious because something yajibe Gambia institutional mealo Barrow don't build no institution. That's the sad story of the 1 billion that he borrowed. He didn't build anything. Ya jamme sokolaje munna la wax ne na GNPC lole GNPC Gambia National Petroleum Company. And build a big, something. And then not only, I'm not talking about the building, that's a small thing. The company itself, he created it. And other things he created. The UTG, he found it in the drawer, he took it out and implemented it. Right? So he has something to show. What I'm not talking about cement and block and Kenyon Mafos cementoning Kenyoning Berode. Go institution o manke cementoning Kenyoning Beroti. Nigo baro institution akafo imana cementoning na Kenyoning na Beroti. Ngamen jurma. That a foundation ole. No, Jawara created the GPA. Men baro ba African Scientech. Azavola Tyler. Jawara created the GAMTEL. Me alon ko Barrow ñol nata di gateway a bitita kan mo malo ansa gateway kodo ka dundame. You understand? Jawara build the GPMB for this for the groundnut trade and to hold the economy. Build the tourist industry itself. So many other institutions that you see right now, MDI, GTTI, and all these things built by Jawara, the First Republic. And Barrow borrowed 1 billion. I institution Jumale built. Atabe nyapila mola institution kan ke Tyler. Kan nyapi mola TDA kan ka Tyler ka wafi. Kan nyapi mola wetlands kan ka wafi. Kan nyapi mola reserve land kan ka wafi. Kan nyapi mola bad reserves kan ka wafi. ka nyapi mo la farol kan ka wafi ka mo la company ta melbo ko GPA keta ke Tyler the airport of the Gambia Jawara le abil first airport the airport was in Joshua Jawara nyole asamba to Yundum Yaya came and built that structure there the GIA saying Jawara GIA is dying civil aviation is dying the airport is dying Jawara built Yaya built Barrow is killing it.
Thank you very much. Mama di kurang ko ñu ne lu duf ci nak li yeb hajut ci cin li dafa melni be mim foka nun drong wolen kacha diata bake ngajele mol be respond kam bake ka mama di kurang katu mo jaman sa fo ñeko kurang ya lunjumalan kurang ya lunjumalan be kol sol yele la
abe dula
yele la mol mi yalon ko ilafta question ola ka nyinin ka mama di kurang ye question o nyinin ka bari sa fale drong hands together lamin sise hands together UDP wala official sponsor ti mala wato bidu ni milbe silo kan Fatima SBJT Fitama so Emery Jasi aning youngest CEO in town ikafa Paul B Mendy mi alon ko atel tamu Paul's People's Strangas Kitchen in Busumbala mi alon ko ama medrong ayele anung Trangas Kitchen Bama womu jumalti anti jaray sane wolen restaurant Bamati anu restaurant Fama wolen jumati landim bi sane abedula akamunto ko fondinkel ba katakang bare finally ikaminge for instance example o minti People's Strangas Kitchen mbe Busumbala amay ayelta amamme janne sunkaro ni lafta bagaso la ka ser ni lafta chicken la ka ser but chicken dama pour sima ni ko 300 people cannot afford it bari munatina amanke la faulty mol min yalon ko ka sandal so ñinen problem o so ñinatina inflation dangerous taba surtout food yemin fo jang woto ka chala bongo drombe min ñinen ka go
sa nunto Gambia ni tada lunta yalla dawda kay dinni sise muta
sise
nunta adoyata nyawnya ke bunya sise
absolutely absolutely
but saying boy
Ani Santo.
Saying I Cisse because Cisse saying is imported. It's imported now. You know, most of the Cisse molka mendomo abundina kabona bantale and the same problem wala biye. Problem bi du sefa bi de. Problem manke sefati dalasi. Problem manke dollar, problem mu dalasi leti. Dalasi wala be jikang. And wala geo is the mismanagement of the economy. By the Barrow government.
Mismanagement of the economy by the Barrow government. Because
Jawara, the dollar, Jawara Mutale from it was 1 to 5, or don't cover one less than that. $5 is £1. For almost 20 years. Jawara Bolaja Watme, it was almost like 10, 11, 12. Yeah, Bitakang maybe 20 to 30. Saying 70 to the dollar. It's a disaster because of Puntung Panta.
Abaraka bake ngalong wala bekela last question. Abedula lefta kanadla to kumaba. Wolen ayajele niman karte fay. Winte kala. Anu modul biye eke button for ning supplementary closed.
Yeah.
Itela voters card nyini. This year voters card and voters card nyino and supplementary registration. Gambia bebe la moika ebe muna fole.
No, this year election mol California men do or die. Bayalo ni ko modole do or die, wol kamera do or die, wala kurfanyol fay wato. No. There is something worse than that. Yeah, keloke wala easy bull than conquer efa.
Yeah.
You die of hunger. People are suffering. Nimol mon baro jindi. Ite mira ila dapanso be kole aribuya ila balo be kole aribuya nin ko abe worse outle because nulie bulo tulo economy alonko nimme bulo mutanga wafasije ita bondile fayet ando nin ko nge bulo tuje fente tulaje they will finish everything if a land be wafilale un company me ya lo ani jawara ya mello ba be wafilale ka julo ta kata ka fo mole gon ka silole dada atara wo julol be jolale fontol mamari fo wol fanal mamari julote banna jola Electricity ka fo mole ko be electricity le dundi kam yalon ko mol cannot afford cash power. Nawe cannot generate electricity because nawe la julol sai wol mininta nawe kana le fo nawe fam bu ka nyaaje ñoo itol fam nawe fam na bu ka nyaaje sakasi lampo di mol. So these are the serious problems. Me alon ko wala tin nan ko 2026 banko dingbe dawo darande photos card nyanto nyininal mola molbe dawda ya fo ye photos card nyini mel fana be banko kanjam funding kol men ka fo ko ndate carte auto lolé ajele bala fa warta malema because ye funding kol la state gibe sai back way abole ko 400 years ago ika kunta kinta nyol muta wato menna ke Bulol City ke Kol City musol ninkel ke dia ku ya dundi kulun kono ke city fo futa tuwabdu back we be kolari wala nyama ka mo dundi kulun kono mo keme joli kulun dindi me alon ka manya na 50 people tala 200 people dundi je alka kuol beke wala to fale futa walanto fo albe danna dame walanto fo kulun e kuye kal it's a sad thing niko Gambians 400 years ago ye kunta kinta nyol muta nyame ye Bulol City ye dundi kulul kono ika batamen ki ye janibe futa tuwabdu ko wol for after 400 years ndol nyanta batala wala nyama janimbe futa la tuwabdu back way. It's very sad. But way itandile ko mo moronding yalo talon ko banku dina moite ilafta nyim batal bayla nyim banko kan itamanya nata la football e ka fonte mankea ni mankea lunkli be muso nyini nal o batala leta go ite ko be ifo ninge wato man kate fay sai ko ni e muso nyini ne be kate fay e kate fay wato me wotumo problem me be caring wato me man sonna kate fay la o wato le o problem ol datta mon nyanta wala itandi la funding kewla so banya sani carte tay nga ne ndaw nga men time bi nga mag problème yi ñew dal sa kaw problème yoy fekk commencé nañ bi nga baña fay bi nga baña sani carte wala nan ko duo tay ka mo sensitize atol journalist ni everybody ka itandi mo la ko we need this
absolutely
mo le register carte ñini ni membe diaspora sinano yena e carte ñini nin kate fayta nganna kate garde mo ka wala fontole ka bo nyem tolbe kate fayla bura tollo nal falbe na kate protect no ko ni be diaspora ina tay ko itemina pooling agent ya lebe sira baba la bunda la ani de mo fo de ibita sira manja biro mo fo de ko ibina le ni be diaspora ibina le ya mol nyininka banko Gambia kono min tole be clearing mota damen pooling agent wulo kono jana
mataji
that's a hero. That's what you should do as a hero. Right? Na wulo kono be fandi diaspora la. Mbawinal ni ok.
Absolutely.
Because nyinke membe siringe afuare mare nata mansayala. What is his net worth? To 2021 he said he's 200 million. But in 2016 he was like me. Ni moto chanta kapuzele.
Absolutely.
Jamu Sarakunda ni Banyunete is a small place. We know each other. But Mohammed Fuareala, Janita Bina Mansala, after 5 years, he got 200 million Nabela account. Now Faliako, new Walabala account 2021, 2026, oh, it's a chicken change for him.
I will 5 years, so I have friends call.
Oh, it's a chicken change. If he has 200 million in his account in 2021, in 2026, 200 million is a chicken change, whether it's declared or not. Look at what we see. It's all around us. The contracts, the kickbacks that are being rumored, the failed contracts, the bad road construction, the substandard, the $1 billion. $1 billion. $1 billion is 1,000 million. $1 billion is like $75 billion. That's what Barrow borrowed.
$1,000 ni Allah nyo kam fo birikam
$75 billion. When the custom come and collect, they can work custom. Gambia custom will work for 5 years or 4 years before they collect 75 billion. in cash.
Abaraka bake Mamadi Kurang, abaraka bake Alhaji Mamadi Kurang, fundinkel kontanta, Gambianol kontanta. Wata mol milialon ko drong, ila feduna nang alse komandiro kumase kabren sang, alse selenang ale demand sol ke ale selenang mballa moyla kontondiro be kala nyame bari a diaspora ko lumbe kontonna bake mol min be jibe kan mba fula fode jawla jara sane ke kendo UDP TV and media nyaton ko Lamin Job nyol ambe kontonna bake milianon ko be Gambia animil be diaspora fengo fe mi alon ko drone diaspora ko birthday tiol Aminata Ba happy birthday mbama Adama Sane UDP TV and media happy birthday UDP call min beba birthday la happy birthday ka fale ko alla birthday dum benda sunkarol fe tamuno banambe cake sambalale nan bare a benta sunkarol fe bare ka fale ko drong alama alayal so si jangola alama alayal tankala katal nin katatol la ba alfa ba fanan tentu la bake memo Alhaji Mamadou Kuram bare ñing ya mul chansundi some videos wala bari wodla ngame be je katala fo be je tulaje
Dula yalo open mission wal bijere secret one wal bijere Dula operation because
modol la kan ko ka fu ñu bari ke jana munan la bu kataje ko de dulal mo
dula be buka fo you know but obey itani le ko serious work member caring ñim banko kan for 2026 ntol ninko abe dula wala is 24 hours to la campaign is 24 hours throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month, up to the election day. Yeah, because funga itan the funding ke wala ko the Gambia at such a critical stage and that we cannot sleep. You have my committed members Silvo by Sonko. Abedula, Chida Bobo Kijera, Mamina Fadera, you know, yourself. There are a lot of people who are working 24 hours.
Absolutely.
And amanke hajite mola, you know, amanke ko molman doku soto. But bankola ko aputata sula la to sign thing. Me along ko ni ajibe with His Excellency Loyal Senodabo, people like him spend 30 years of their life.
Absolutely.
When they could have been making millions. Don't kita la jeba full of kodole politics, newcomers, pare balla and so on, including Barrow himself and then all those other people. Me almoli palaso dila. All man can sacrifice. They never sacrifice. Even Barrow himself, has he ever been to detention for UDP? And all those other people shouting? No. But moment detention, ye multa detention, ye lapi before ye fat ko ulo.
Absolutely.
Ite galo sate kono eka bo gonte mu jata falal.
Absolutely. Sama me sam ako muro me sama.
Yeah. Kuro kualo kuodo biye wonyanta muongo malale.
Abaraka bake. Awoto malon jumale be santo fitani se mako no mobile dola may ko nyum fele alsa kenye je saje molsa long mi alon ko wolle be kering abari questionol kana jampa bake kato munatina sunteo man jampa bake may be kontona bake seni be kontona bake amol min bi alon ko wolle be digan be kontona bake kamunta ko musislal mini alon ko abe dula 140 people are watching live.
I do.
TV and media.
Yeah, man.
Yo, mbela mweka.
Sini.
Sini.
So, Malam brother,
thank you very much, you know.
Okay.
Brother, send.
Okay, go on. Ladies first. Go on. Okay, ala baraka sisila na brother, is it called Malo? I don't know. Ala baraka bake, brother mbali be konton na bake, malma mbe nila luntong konton na bake.
Okay. Bejola.
Alika moy.
Yes, ngemoyle.
Yeah, brother Kuran tell anything karo momenti because nalo nako there is no doubt UDP masakunda nina tebedo ko la Gambia tingoliele do belo la Gambia tingoliele be nyo Gambia tingol nyasi kala le ko itamale fer bayre ngajele hani e mantara man sakunda ko ne tolle kalo Gambia tingol so bar nanyinen karo be kelamment wala bitani election o karo la kuno ngati sem ti le nyinen ka so mbe fana nyinen kala itela faham robe je nyaadi like nyim boda problem men katara Gambia te mol ko nam boda la e boda like farafenye yara so manyolu kata other places all fal bo takul ka nyaadi le for alia solution so to woyeleba.
Yeah, I mean, ngalon ne ko nyimu kule di melan ko mole discuss le anu mole experience to jele. So ngalon ko experience men so to multiply la. But obviously, the lieutenant for la wolom nyinti ko me strategic wise molbe jikita men na wolom momoronding ko itamu UDP dignity andu UDP la ko fatela le. Inyanta sila for a moment ye nyabiti you close your eyes and then ask yourself, who can I convince from NPP? Which one of my neighbors can I convince from NPP? Which one of my friends can I convince from NPP? That is the real war. Because no matter what is happening, if we are able to tap into their base, for the base, the village, the border side, we experienced it in Kabada when we went there. I realized those villages, Melialonko, or those communities, Melialonko, we know is the base of the enemy. We must make conscious effort, scientific approach to get them. You understand it? Because, well, somebody, a Gambian can live abroad, you call him abroad also, and come and cross the border and vote. But how do we make sure that they vote for me?
Absolutely.
They need to vote for me. Mahmoud Fana is at the border. But I'm not afraid of votes in Mahmoud Fana. Because I know that I will be campaigning in every compound in Mahmoud Fana. So people need to, there's a need for a paradigm shift. If we cannot campaign in Mankamangkunda, and all those, there are 1,800 villages. Those 500 or 1,000 villages or 500 villages that are NPP strongholds, if we don't campaign there, well, forget about the border. That's the fact. Because the votes coming through the border can never be equal to the votes that are in places where there are NPP strongholds. Or, let me not say just NPP, let me say anybody who don't want UDP government, in strongholds, we must campaign there. Absolutely. And what I have seen on the ground, being a man on the ground, I feel that this job cannot be done on the media. Ateken wala media kuta, ateken wala WhatsApp jamoti. To bring the people from the NPP and other parties, it has to be done on the ground. Foot to foot, as party leader himself says, in the kitchens, in their sitting rooms, in the bedrooms, because Mbatata for like street to street, door to door. So now we have to be more specific. If you cannot enter the kitchen of your enemy, this is not a war to fight and kill. This is a war to fight and conquer and bring to your side. So I maybe I answer your question.
Maybe in a summary form.
Yes, summary.
Seni.
Yeah, thank you very much. Kewama baraka bake,
Baraka.
Yeah, ngalo Mr. Kuram Mansude, I'm one of his students in Jollof Tutos. So ngalo ne character mi bale,
Okay.
From 2016 to 2017.
Yeah.
Jollof Tutos. So like andela question obida mina like for UDP parade in bankaje ka engagement okay nina all the language because nina da gambe jibe fanang ndaka fa ko language fanang full language barrier fana bijela bang kaje ko ni be campagne o kala ka banko la kole atandi mulla ka atandi all the languages mini alon ko be any other settlement CRR RRR ka languages mi alon ko be lo understand na fana anim fana for are they ready to talk about migration kaje ko Gambia do mean for the Niola from the Mediterranean Sea, from the Atlantic Ocean, from the Sahara Desert, kaje ko koleami e bundi yang because koleale kam mo bundi dulado kaje ko ke convince pour yalon ko koleya min be banko kam ni aje gambe dingol be fa kam ba ko no ka sayata ke yabula kaje ko koleya le bije ani banko min fana be foka la yusola udon banko de mianan ko down abe boy kan because youth sold they are the backbone of every country. So malam for UDP are they ready to use language kaje ko merol pabirum ba campagne of funding ke de mambuka karte fay ka kaw fo be mim moyla kaje ko ka english of nan talado monding.
Yeah, very important question. Yaron funding ke I'm not an executive member but I hope that some executive members listen to me and then the ordinary members also listen to me. But yaron funding ke they tell you in Malaysia, Singapore, in South Korea, in Taiwan, if you want to engage the youth, you have to build your country. The way to engage the youth is to build. But it happens to engage the youth, kata sila fitola, like they are saying in KMC, kata gotal fenke. No, we are talking about how about the UDP government that will break Banjul, break Bakau, break Serakunda and build them. And build them like how you people are in Europe. Those cities in Europe, they forced the land, they took the land from the people and they buy it and gave it back to the people. You understand what I mean? When you go to Bakau, you're 20 by 20 GB Sateo Tema. Maybe 50 people are living there. But if you build that place up, like somewhere in Singapore or so, you build a skyscraper there, that family will become wealthy forever with a tenancy agreement and all those contractual agreements with the government. Those kind of projects, well done when Gambian youths stay in the Gambia. The only way Gambian youths may remain in this country is to have ambitious. Ni UDP ko bina gota dinka fitol la jang gota dinkol fita in KMC or in Brikama and then we call it development. Yes. No, forget it. That's not development. We need to build a Singapore. We need to build a Taiwan. We need to build a New York. Are we going to leave it for our children? So what are youth employment la solution for a UDP government as far as I am concerned? If we don't have that ambition, we will never solve youth employment in this country. Because with that, as the Singapore Prime Minister say, the youths funding ke 2-bedroom flat babulu, just like the 2-bedroom you see at the beach side at Senegambia or Kololi, worth $100,000. A youth in Bakau can have that inside Bakau. Gambia's problem is solved. And they have the land, they have the weather, they have the location. All we need to do is to build it for them. But do you want the people of Bakau to build Bakau or the people of Banjul to build Banjul? People of Serakunda to build Serakunda? No, it will never happen. The second point. Language. You were in Jollof, you know. In Jollof tutors, we never ask anybody which part of Gambia you come from. As far as Mamadi is concerned, I don't want to know. And I always say, Ali Lamoy, nyim ko kang for alkali yalombang, for sefu yalombang, for MP yalombang, for councilor yalombang, for mayor yalombang, for president yalombang, nyim ko kal lansarol damanne be kelola bela. Lansarol le kelola niko alkali abadibu. Oto dibakunda ni mfofana kundalom. Waranto dibakunda ni sisa kunda. Gunjura be olenya. Kudanga be olenya. Kiyang fana be olenya. Jara fana be olenya. President ya député ya fana mayor ni chairman ya Lansarol lebe kelola. Nyimbanko ngamelon ni Lansarol be kelola. Lansaro jumale ka win. Meya lonko you are accommodating. Alkali ajinita tenne for 200 years, for 300 years. Sefu ya kanyinin tenne for 300 years. Jawra ni sirif diba bitenne. Baronin dabo bemu Lansarol leti. Lansarol nibe kelola, you have to look for friends. That is how the history of the Gambia is. Adiata meye, akuyata meye, abe wole nyama. Nin Lansarol be kelola, Lansari be terol le nyinina. So you have to speak more languages to win. Whatever we have on UDP media is in Maninka. It has to be in Jola, Fula, Sarahule. Any information in TikTok, Facebook, anywhere must be equal in all the languages. Ke, nko, Lazaro lebe kelola. Ni Lazaro lebe kelola, Lazaro kanunta lenyini. Diba kundankol wolkata kiang ye fadera nati ya sindi sal Kenya. For what? Pura aye makoi kelola. Sisekunda will go and bring Jallo Kunda from Basse and bring him in Kudang. In Kudang for what? To help them.
Next question from
yes.
Miananko Koots, huh?
Yeah, tell him.
Inimbara.
Yeah, uncle.
Welcome to Malemala Watu.
Malema Konton na saluto bali man.
Baraka baka.
Yalo kurante buga fa ya kurante ka fa ne dat mun na onkule baranga fa ne master.
Maluda.
Nga fa ne master.
Master.
Master because mfana ntambida ni jollof la yalo.
Yeah.
Yalo di jam foke dal sign do man di mba konton na bake.
Yeah man, thank you.
Karo mi bente bulu. Yenen karo mi bembulu. Because mole mi alon ko when you come to numbers, Gambia Mammo, the Mimbeni Selendilaka, when you come to numbers, yeah, I'm so in community because Alataro UDP, Wamu plus that you Madam Bondino. Okay, 2021 election, Baroka I have 400,000, Ikoparo will have been 400,000 votes. So after 2021, 3 months down the line, another area council mayoral election, I 178,000 votes in total. So meaning MPP call back no ibedia mola allow moto le ka po mol bentol bul wol buka fay nyin dongol to wol ka presidential da male fay. So ndenga conviction of Mindi, there is a number flip somewhere. Number like a flip, you can number me control the woman carte fight. So for UDP the measures can never me alonko, me a carte min jolonda will be contila because number in the belief that number left ka flip. Number minka carte fight and minka conti buka killing. For at that number is going to investigate into that one number ka bumuntole. Me like a flip paper bala.
Okay. Yeah, no point on Injele because along presidential attending parliamentary fatatala because generally nalo neko asikeno worldwide presidential is still on, right?
Yeah.
Presidential is all the participation kasia more betty than the others. Why? Because politics bolanya tension or high to damning participation or high wallet. You understand? More because ni more ball be candidating more be like a funti. So presidential wale bara kando kasia. Yeah, I'm coming to the number. So but the margin, yes, it's a big margin. Obviously opposition analysis. I was in IEC on election day. But ngamen for all minti mom full picture sort of on election day, but now I have a better picture. And the picture I have is that there are about 1,500 or so polling stations. There was no opposition party. Mayor Lonko, he was present in all the polling stations. You understand? But it was only the MPP that was present in all the polling stations. Why man ko ni mo botan ng diaspora la fa ay ta boda to. Akana si Hussein ya. Wala yang kubala of so kono talib la of so kono akaka results all about. So if there are 1,500 polling stations, we only have maybe 1,000 polling agents.
500
No, there was no rally of the polling agents before the day. There was no coordination. So some of the polling agents, once they received their allowance, they abandoned ship. They went home. So the counting, as it is happening on the tallying, only the government was present everywhere. So we will have the true picture. Nobody in the opposition. So in the end, all the opposition are waiting for IEC to tell us the results. PASTEF didn't do that. PASTEF have control over their own results before 9 p.m. Jani savo be salla ndol fa nyanta na results lonal. Wasa ini talib nyol me alon ko to lebe organizing secretary and order itol saita suokono. Itatela they cannot tell the people the results. How do you think that we will ever know the true story of the numbers? You can never know the true story of those numbers because you are absent.